Hey, it's Nina. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make restaurant-style pizza. Let's get started. You'll need flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and yeast. Now we're going to mix these together. This is my Mama G's recipe and it is one of the best. Now add 16 ounces of water to the dry mixture and whisk it. Now add it to the flour and knead that dough. Now add about 5 teaspoons of oil. Transfer the dough into a bowl and cover it up. Now leave it there for about 3 hours. The dough is ready to be used. Now we're going to use some dry flour and roll it out with a rolling pin. Now we're going to use ragu marinara sauce, or you can use any other sauce that you'd like. And now you can add your toppings, add whatever you like. My Mama G is adding green peppers, jalapenos, olives, tomatoes, onions, and spinach. Most importantly, shredded mozzarella cheese. Into the oven they go for about 20 minutes. Now they're ready to eat. How's the pizza, Amrit?
So delicious.
Really?
It's so warm and just...
Liar. Such a liar.
Hey, Jesse, how do you like the pizza?
I think it's absolutely amazing.
It is. It looks
Oh, my cheese.
amazing
it's
too.
so hot, and it's like naan and pizza, and like naan's already good, but you make it to a pizza, so it's like even more better.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
See how this goes.
You use the same thing.
I liked it.
What?
Cheese pizza is absolutely delicious. I love it. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It just melts in your mouth.
Sure.
The cheese is really gooey and oh my god, it's absolutely phenomenal. So good. Absolutely love this. Highly recommend making this at home. This tastes just like it would be from a pizza place. It tastes that good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and please share my video with a friend. Thank you so much. Bye!